All right, guys, we've got the ZGUKJ aux Bluetooth adapter for the car. This thing is super cool. So what you have here is this is the actual unit itself. This is where you can press play and pause, answer a call, and all you can like. It's basically got just a couple buttons on it, but it's super compact, and they actually give you a 3M stick on the back, so you can stick that to a spot on your car where it's just super accessible to you. So we can just put it there, and it allows us to just get there really easily. They even give you a couple more if you need to put them in a couple different spots. So the cigarette adapter itself looks just like this. It's even got an extra USB port. So one of the USB ports is for the aux cord itself, but you've got a second insert there if you want to charge your phone also. What we're going to do is just plug that right into the lighter there. So we've got that plugged in. Now, you also have this part. This part is the coolest part. So a lot of times when you use this auxiliary input in your car, the audio is not that great. So this is a grounding cable that actually does noise canceling. So you plug this in here, you've got this here, and now this part is going to plug into your aux cord or aux insert on your car right there. Now what we're going to do on the phone is just connect to it. And now we should be connected, and we're just going to play some music. Yeah, and hopefully we don't get copyrighted there. Spotify. And there we go. And straight up. That has no, like, a lot of times when you're using this, the white noise is very loud. This is a super quiet listening experience. I actually have never tried one of these that sounds this good. So I think the value of it, I'm looking at the number on the product page there. This thing was so ridiculously easy to set up. I love that you have this simple thing right here that you can just press play or pause. You can accept a call. You can turn down a call. This is super easy to use, and I highly recommend it.